God, why don't we have a fire right now? This is what we have fires for, and we can't even have one because of the fucking government.
They're out to get us, Cody.
Yeah.
They're coming.
They're coming for all you.
All of
For us
you.
all.
They were
Give me my
supposed to
BlackBerry.
come. Why do you have that?
I don't know.
There's not even a reception on
Throw
it.
it in the water.
Throw it in the
What
water.
is this? Who even created my BlackBerry?
That's what Tanner would do.
Just the fucking.
Why do we believe in
Why
technology?
is everything coming at me right now?
Just tripping.
Arms folded in. Look at the chair. It's me in the chair.
Just look at it.
Just fucking
Will you
sitting
just look
here.
at it?
Or it's gonna die in this fucking chair.
You just dropped it.
Funny.
Sweet.
Why?
Sweet.
You want a piece
Have
of
a
wheat?
moment of silence.
This one.
You just asked me for a piece of wheat. Put it in the water. You're not putting that in your mouth right now. You look like a hick. You look like a hick.
Word.
Word to your mother.
Remember
It's like
that
Vanilla
thing? It was
Ice once
like,
said.
Wait. Sweet, okay? Wait.
It's like Vanilla Ice once said.
Okay, right.
True.
Tree.
What do you say?
What you talking about?
What do you say?
Word to your mother.
Tree.
That's what he said?
Yeah.
Word to your
Tree.
mother.
Vanilla Ice.
Why didn't you just say it then?
So, yo.
Say Tree, bush. Wait, bush.
Don't you know the
Laura.
song?
Bush,
Stop.
Spaghetti
Collaborate and
confetti.
sing.
Sing it for me.
No.
Word to your mother.
Yeah, Cody, tell
Ice
us about it.
is back.
Well, fucking tell us about it. Tell us about it. At least.
Laura, you fucked.
Yeah, you fucking should know, bro.
Well, tell us
Yeah,
about it.
fucking stop it.
Shut
Get this.
Don't
Well,
touch
you
it.
have to tell us now.
Ice Ice Baby. Haven't you heard that song before?
Laura, he already explained it.
Explain what?
He explained what he was talking about. You just
I
missed
wasn't
everything. You're like,
listening.
well, do you want to, like, tell us about it? He already explained it.
Okay, I'm over it. Let's go.
It's over.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Let's bring a new story in.
Back to the real world.
You're not even in the real world right now, Cody. You're in another planet.
Exactly.